Yeah. Hello. My name is Dokitty. Will you adopt me, please? I am Dokitty. I have 3 rules. Rule number 1. You need to buy me lots of treats and toys or I die. Rule number 2. I get to have all the fishes in the world every day or I die. And rule number 3. I need the softest beds. The softest and biggest beds or I die. My sickness is very serious. If you miss out on one day, I die. Ah! 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 Oh my god, it's spraying water marks on me! No! I won't be able to own my own image! Wait, let me cough up a hairball. Now you know why I was at all of them. Don't get it down. That's right, on your couch too. On your couch.